Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today it could be like episode 5 of Google Chat tutorial application series. And in this video I would like to show you the way how you can log out or sign on from your account in the Google Chat application. So if you are a beginning user of Google Chat application, you must be confused where you can find the sign out logged out button, because it couldn't be displayed on the application. Let's jump to the tutorial. Open the Google Chat application. So if you can see that here, if I go click this straight line, there will be no information to sign out. Even if I swipe right or swipe left, there is no actions coming up. So if you want to sign out from this account, you just need to take a look on this icon of your account that you are used to log in into this application. Tap on it and there'll be like a lot of information pop up here. So even in this section you cannot find the sign out button, right? So how to sign out? Just go click this manage account on this device. The next thing you need to do is just go turn off this button and go click done. And congratulations, you are successfully signed out from the Google Chat application. So simple and easy. Hopefully you understand. If you still want other tutorial about Google Chat, just drop into the comment section and we will prepare it for you. So don't forget also to turn on the notifications so that you will not gonna miss for upcoming videos. And thank you for watching. Let's meet again into other tutorial.